If you're driving right now, don't do this. But for the rest of you, picture walking into a freshly renovated shopping center that just got a multi-million-dollar glow-up. Oh, it's so pretty now. Also, there's a vacant spot on Columbia Pike that's about to become Party Central. And if you've been craving Pakistani street food, maybe you've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, but those cravings are about to be answered. Hey, Fairfax County, I am glad you're back with me today. I missed you. And don't forget to stick around. I got a dad joke for you at the end that will make you laugh or cringe or whatever, but it's safe for all the kiddos in the cars. All right, so McLean neighbors. Chesterbrook Shopping Center is wrapping up this big facelift. And they got a butt lift too. But they're celebrating with a new Sweetgreen opening on November 11th. We're talking about a multi-million-dollar renovation here. Fresh paint, updated storefronts. The whole deal that makes you look good and smile. And here's what I like about this. It's not just one thing happening. The center gets a makeover, sure. A popular spot moves in, sure. And suddenly you've got a reason to wander through and see what's changed. That's good for everybody. Sometimes you just need an excuse to check out your own neighborhood with fresh eyes. November 11th is the grand opening for Sweetgreen. Might want to stop by and see what's actually unveiled. Speaking of filling empty spaces with something useful, there's a spot on Columbia Pike where the old McLean brothers rug shop used to be. Bye-bye rugs. It's been sitting vacant since they moved to Langston Boulevard. Well, not for much longer. Party Mania is moving in. As in party supplies, balloons, decorations, the whole birthday, graduation, holiday setup that you need to have without having to drive across the county for it. And honestly, that's the kind of boring but actually super convenient thing that makes life easier. You got a kid's birthday party this weekend? Boom! You need balloons and streamers? Boom! Right there, Columbia Pike. You know, this is why I do the podcast, by the way, because good news isn't always flashy, like the inside of Party Mania. Sometimes it's just, hey, I don't have to drive 40 minutes for party supplies anymore. Okay, this next one's for the food people. Imagine the smell of fresh naan hitting a super hot tandoor. Actually, I can imagine that. It smells pretty good. Spices you can't quite name, but definitely want on your plate. That's what Karahi Boys is bringing to Loudoun County. Loudoun County? Pakistani? No, Pakistani street food. It's a Virginia debut right near Dulles Town Center at Nokes Plaza. The signs are already up, so things are moving. And I got to say, this is the third new international restaurant we've talked about in the last week, I think. Fairfax County's food scene is expanding, and I'm not complaining. A little something different for dinner every night. If you've never tried proper Pakistani street eats, if you haven't watched at least 3 YouTube videos about street food in Pakistan, this might be your shot to elevate your taste buds. It's time to start your research in your old curry orders right now. All right, that dad joke I promised you? Not yet, but it's coming up. So stick with me. Links to all these stories are in the show notes. They're in the description. You can click, click, click if you want more information. You want the good news delivered to your inbox every morning? Head over to tapyournews.com. That's me. And sign up. It's fast. It's free. It's a better way to start your day than what? Doom scrolling? If you're into true crime, I got a show for that. Go over to truecrimeunheard.com. That's me again. Different vibe, same attention to storytelling. And be sure to follow this podcast on whatever platform you're listening on right now. Oh, and thanks to the listener who suggested that I add the podcast to Podbean. I did that yesterday. So now we're on Podbean as well. But while you're there, be sure to leave the show a 5-star review. Do me a solid. All right, here's that dad joke I promised. Where do rainbows go when they've been bad? To prism, so they have time to reflect on what they've done. Don't forget I love you, and I'll see you tomorrow.